Let's get back over to Michelle for another look at the forecast for Tuesday. Sort of the same situation as yesterday. A little cool out there. I don't know if it's quite as cool as it was on Monday morning, though.
It kind of depends on the location. We're very close to what we had yesterday morning for many spots. It's 30s and 40s out the door. As we take a look in Narragansett this morning, we're going to be keeping an eye on our ocean conditions again for today as we feel some of the fringe effects of Hurricane Teddy passing to the east of us during the daytime today. 46 degrees, the current temperature in Narragansett. Dew points are in the upper 30s. So that'll lead our three key things as we track Teddy. We're going to be dealing with some gusty winds and some ocean impacts from the storm. A warming trend follows for Wednesday, Thursday, into the end of the week. And unfortunately, the drought conditions expected to continue. Little to no rain through the weekend. Maybe some rainfall finally by early next week. Out the door this morning, though, 30s again in Taunton, 34, 37 in Smithfield. Yesterday morning, we were near the freezing mark in New Bedford. This morning, a little warmer, 41 degrees. We're in the 30s again this morning in Westerly. Newport, you're at 48. No rain on the radar. We're not going to, unfortunately, get any rainfall from Teddy, but we will see some gusty winds and some high clouds. So we'll start off with mostly clear and cool conditions at the bus stop this morning. 8 a.m. temperature 49, 9 a.m. 54. In the second half of the day, upper 60s this afternoon with a mixture of sunshine and high clouds. We'll overall call it a partly sunny day. So there's Teddy this morning, that hurricane category 2 storm with a track to the north and east. High pressure going to block it from coming our way. There's the track of that storm. So going to be passing again hundreds of miles to the east of us, expected to weaken through the daytime and then change into an extratropical cyclone as it moves northward and impacting Nova Scotia here by the middle of the week. We are getting some of the high surf from it. You can see the wave heights offshore south and east of Nantucket up to 14 feet. Our own local wave heights around 5 to 8 feet right now. And we'll continue with a high surf advisory through the daytime today, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning when it's set to expire. We also have a flood advisory for eastern Massachusetts. This is for this evening's high tide. We're expecting to see some minor splash over flooding as the winds here will be out of the north and northeast. And we also have a fire weather warning that was issued for today. That's from 9 o'clock this morning till 9 o'clock this evening. That means the combination of the dry brush from the drought, the gusty winds, and the low humidity today could make fires prone to spreading. Wind advisory also for eastern Massachusetts, 9 o'clock this morning until 11 o'clock at night. That's where the strongest winds will be, and that's where we're finding the strongest winds right now. Hyannis, 14-mile-an-hour winds, Nantucket to 21, Providence, your winds right now 9 miles per hour. So those are sustained winds. This is a wind gust forecast. So by 9 o'clock in the morning, we're seeing gusts 20 to 30 in Rhode Island and Bristol County, Mass. But you get out to the Cape and Islands, and you could already be seeing some gusts over 40 miles per hour. And the winds will strengthen during the day. Our peak gusts in Rhode Island expected to be around 30 to 35 miles per hour inland, potentially for some gusts to 40 miles per hour Newport and New Bedford. The highest gusts, isolated wind damage, can find to the outer Cape and Nantucket. So as the skies clear this evening, it won't be as cool overnight. We still have a small craft advisory in effect. Waves on the bay up to 6 feet at the bay entrance. So instead of 30s and 40s, we're going to stay in the 50s overnight, much milder, and that'll translate into a warmer day tomorrow as well. Upper 70s for highs and back to mainly sunny skies. Upper 70s Thursday and Friday. The weekend looking dry. Upper 70s Saturday, mid 70s Sunday. And again, that chance of showers by Monday.